Jai Hind students, welcome back in your English class. Students, from today we will start annual syllabus in English notebook. So, take out your English notebook and start writing the work. Okay? First of all, we will write down annual वर्क. ओके, पहले आप अपनी नोटबुक में एक पेज पे ये लिखेंगे एनुअल वर्क. देन कम टू द नेक्स्ट पेज. फिर आप नेक्स्ट पेज पे आएंगे. नाउ राइट डाउन द डेट ऑन द नेक्स्ट पेज. व्हाट इज द डेट टुडे? टुडे इज 8 January 2021. Okay students, and the day is Friday. This is your English subject class. Write down chapter number 9. Write down CA, and the name of this chapter is cleaning up the beach. Okay, first of all we will write down the index. Okay, which work we will do in this chapter? Firstly, write down picture work. Second is difficult words. Difficult words. Third is word meaning, and then fourth work is question answers. Okay students, which work we will do first? We will do picture work, then second work is difficult words, third one is word meaning, and then last question answers. Note it down and come to the next page. Yes students, now write down HA. Okay, again you have to write down chapter 9, cleaning up the beach, and this is your homework. What you have to do in your homework? Draw a beautiful scene of a beach. Okay, draw a beautiful scene of a beach. आपको एक सीन बनाना है बीच का, ब्यूटीफुल सीन बनाना है. ओके, this is your homework. Now come to the next page again. Now student, come to the next page. Again write down chapter 9, cleaning up the beach. Write down CA, and now we will write difficult words. Okay, now we will write difficult words. Difficult words. Okay, first word is, write down the first word. First word is E X C I T E D, excited. Which word is this? Excited. Now second word. Second word is V A C A T I O N, vacation. Okay, second word is vacation. Now third word, H E A D E D, headed. H E A D E D, headed. Now fourth word. Fourth word is DISMAY, dismay. Which word is this? Dismay. Now fifth word. Fifth word is GARBAGE, garbage. Which word is this? Garbage. Now sixth word, LITTERED, littered. Which word is this? Littered. Now write down seventh word. Seventh word is SHOVELS, shovels. Now eighth word. Eighth word is HURRIED, horrid. Ninth word is BEACH, beach. And last word is SANDCASTLE, sandcastle. Okay, so repeat again these words. First word is EXCITED, excited. Which word is this? Excited. Second word VACATION, vacation. Third word HEADED, headed. Fourth word DISMAY, dismay. Now fifth word GARBAGE, garbage. Sixth word LITTERED, littered. Seventh word SHOVELS, एसेट से किसका साउंड आता है? श. ओ लग गया तो श, shovels. Now eighth word HURRIED, horrid. Ninth word BEACH, beach. 10th word SANDCASTLE, sandcastle. Okay students, these are your difficult words. Now that's all for today. What you have to do, I have given you homework, so you have to complete that draw work in your notebook. Okay students, so we will meet in the next class. Bye bye.